The revival of Grandpa's Ultra?
Yeah.
Yeah. See if we can't get this thing out of here.
It needs quite a bit now.
Whole lot. ...2006, it looks like, according to the VIN tag. Ultra Classic. This is Ethan's grandpa's. Been sitting for a while. He's decided to finally get her back going again. Pretty bike whenever it's clean, obviously. It's been a while since it's been clean, but we're gonna kind of do like we did on that Road Glide and try to get some stuff refreshed. Then we'll get tires and brake fluid swap, maintenance that's been denied. It's been sitting for entirely too long. We're gonna try to get it halfway cleaned up here. Just get some of this grime off. It's so bad. I don't even want to rub it because the paint's great, but it won't wipe off easy. It's thick, it's gotten damp, and it's almost like mud caked on. But yeah, no, it's a pretty dead gum good bike. Tank's already been taken off. This is what started all this. It's at where Ethan works for his parents and all that kind of stuff. Anyway, yeah, it's up at the shop. Tank was obviously trash. Sending unit's bad. Fuel pump, the fuel lines were so brittle that they broke and snapped. Obviously, the little dangly one there for the injectors gonna have to be replaced because that's what I dealt with mine and Trevor's on that Road Glide. So yeah, we'll see how this goes. Okay, on the lift. Note to self, dirty bikes don't need to be scrubbed at all. That's so bad. It's okay, I'll fix it. It's fine. It makes me sad inside, but anyway, yeah, correction, 2007 for sure. VIN code lookup because I don't know how to read a tag on the side of the motorcycle. Or we don't, I guess. Yeah, nope. Gonna get ready for this. Luckily, it's on somebody else's budget. Yeah, we'll do the necessities. Progress updates. Got this thing kind of halfway tore down last night. Didn't really film it. Rained last night, as you can tell it's raining now. I screwed up, with the washing. It's got some wax on there right now, but we got it buffed. Still got some spots in it. It's not perfect. I don't have the good stuff, but it's so much better. I don't know if you can really tell. Not really. But anyway, yep, no, just try to get some stuff cleaned up. Got both side panels. Got those cleaned up. They got a coat of wax. It's kind of halfway drying, which the humidity is making that a pain, but it's coming along. We got the list that we're working on right now, and nothing crazy. It's going to be a lot of just general maintenance items for the most part. If you want to stick your finger in there.
I don't know what you're doing it for.
This, boys and girls, is why we change brake fluid. Good Lord, that's gross. Now, we got stuff. Let's get it done. This is likely to be a chaotic mess of stuff that gets smashed together, but we finally got all this done up well enough, and it didn't go 100% to plan, I guess. The fuel system's all good, it runs good, all that good stuff. We still need to get tires put on. We haven't taken it to the local shop. We got them in, all that good stuff. We're gonna go ahead and replace the back brakes. They look like they had the most wear. The front, all of that looked good. Well, we went for our first maiden voyage test ride just to, you know, double, triple check, get some heat in it, make sure it doesn't act goofy or any of that kind of stuff. And the brakes just feel like they're almost like they're warped. They look like it. You can kind of see. They look like they might have had a little heat into them. Not a huge deal, because, you know, big bagger brakes, but they absolutely drag like something horrible. Now, I'm not like the most experienced dude. I'm not a batwing fairing rider or any of that kind of stuff. I rode that buddy of mine's road glide that he had for a while on and off just to keep it going, keep it warm and all that stuff. But the weight, I think, threw me off initially. We thought maybe neck bearings were going to be an issue, but as you can see, that it's pretty free and easy. I don't know, maybe too free and easy. I do know there's some cabling and stuff up in there that keeps it all centered up and whatnot, but I don't know if that's maybe why it has the feel it does. Anyway, back to backtracking. The clip should be in here of how bad the reservoir was. Up here, the back one was fine. Like, I mean, it wasn't great, but it wasn't nearly as bad as the top because of that corrosion. But we're gonna get a dial indicator and just double check, see if maybe the rotors are really warped. I'm supposed to be doing that here in just a minute, but maybe if they're really warped, we may just need to throw a set of pads in it. I mean, everything looked like it was working. We may need to even throw some more fluid through it just to double check. Pull it off, maybe make sure that the caliper is at least trying to return, you know, all the good stuff, all the stuff we probably should have done anyway, but we didn't think that it was this bad. I hear him coming right now. He's around the corner, so we'll get this stuff checked out. So we returned the bike today. It's February 2nd. Pretty sure we got it end of November, beginning of December, so we had it for a fair amount of time. Between forgetting to order parts, ordering parts but not ordering enough, brake pad wise. We all have single caliper bikes, touring bikes have dual, so we ended up ordering one set too short. So that took a little bit longer, and then we'd order a rash of parts, find a few more issues, order another little rash, and things of that nature. So we got everything taken care of. Brakes, fluids, tires got put on by a local shop. We got it all built up and cleaned up, so it looks way, way better than it did. Yeah, it's pretty much good stuff. We got the next one right here that we're going to be jacking with for a minute. It's just going to be a cleanup. It had blown fork seals and all that. So it's nasty bug guts. These bikes have been used. I don't want to say abused, but maybe they're just used. They're tools, not treasures. So they definitely have been many miles. I don't know how many's on this one. 20 some odd, I think. I know there was 20 on the last one, but no, 42. Wow, quite a bit more. So they've been put down the road and all that good stuff. But yeah, we're just gonna clean it up, try to get the bug guts off of it, get it buffed up, maybe, probably, because that's who I am. And yeah, we'll see you on the next one.